Is your mouthwash killing your sex drive? Do you know that over 200 million Americans wake up and swish with their mouthwash every morning? Of course, they've got bad breath, they want to smell good, they need some oral hygiene, but you're killing the good bacteria in your mouth that is required for nitric oxide production in your gut. What am I even talking about? There are 3 steps in order for your gut to produce nitric oxide. The first step is nitrates. Nitrates are consumed via food. They consist of nitrogen and oxygen. And these foods are specifically celery, beets, arugula, spinach, garlic, basil, cilantro. So once you eat these nitrate-rich foods, now step 2 comes, and that's found in your tongue. You have these nitrate-reducing bacteria that sit in the tongue waiting to convert these nitrate foods into nitrites. The salivary glands will then take these nitrites and you will swallow this. That's step 2. Step 3, you have to have enough acid in your stomach to then reduce this nitrites into nitric oxide. Need I say more? Nitric oxide is the most potent vasodilator in your blood vessels that is responsible for increasing the amount of blood flow to feed the penis so that you have strong, firm erections. So my friends, I come to you and I am pleading with you. Do not use this mouthwash. And if you are going to use mouthwash, use one that doesn't have alcohol in it. We don't want to kill the bacteria in your mouth. I also want to mention proton pump inhibitors such as Prevacid, Omeprazole, Prilosec. What do these do? These are going to reduce the acid in your stomach. Why is that important? Remember, step 3, you have to have enough acid in your stomach to reduce the nitrites into nitric oxide. So if you're taking these antacids every single day, you're not going to be able to convert these nitrites into nitric oxide, and your erections are going to suffer. What else? What about antibiotics? How many patients, how many people, how many friends do you know that are always on antibiotics? If you're on antibiotics, you're destroying the good bacteria. And that good bacteria also includes that nitrite-producing bacteria on your tongue. So if you are ruining that bacteria on your tongue, you're not even gonna carry the nitrites into nitrites. They're not gonna travel down to the stomach, and you're not gonna have nitric oxide. No erections. So again, mouthwash, antiseptic mouthwash such as alcohol, proton pump inhibitors like Prilosec, Omeprazole, and of course the last thing is antibiotics. All 3 of these things are going to reduce your ability to have a firm, strong erection. So as I've said before, your body is always talking to you. Are you listening? Perhaps you should consult with your physician about weaning off some of these medications so that you can improve your erections and have stronger, firmer erections.